Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Sorry it's a little bit late today. Had a few issues. Hopefully they should be resolved now. A few issues that pushed me like 36 minutes past what my schedule's meant to be, so yeah. Um, Last time I try and do a bit of a surprise for you guys on the stream because tell you something, it's come back and bit me in the rear end, it really has. It's done that hard. It, it really is that hard to do what I've just done today, so um hopefully. Hey, you should see a spin wheel. In theory, that should tell me that I've done something correct, I think. I have no idea what I'm doing, I really don't. I'm just winging it right now. Yeah, no, it didn't save my thing. Oh, because I never pressed save settings. I don't think that would make sense, so I'm gonna just get rid of that spin wheel, because we don't need that. Hey, so I'm here guys, welcome. So sorry if I don't read chat as well. A few issues with the Streamlabs. For some reason, it's not able to pick up my chat like normal. It's quite weird, but apparently it's got invalid parameters, so it's not able to actually see the chat. Um, yeah, it just says invalid parameters. Don't know why. So I'm just gonna have to sit here and kind of hope that I occasionally look down at my little iPad down here. It's got my thing on to tell me, but yeah. So we're live. Welcome. Um, how's everyone doing today? Staying silent, hoping somebody puts something in chat. But guys, the actual reason we've got something special today is, well, actually something quite cool. It is this. That's right, guys. We've got a face cam. Sorry, sorry the it's a bit out of sync. I'm well aware it's out of sync. There's nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. It's just the software, and obviously I don't have my webcam just yet. But yeah. So if I just enable the video, there we go. So yeah, we have it now, and if I don't look at the camera, you don't know when I'm speaking, so it's kind of still alright. Unfortunately, I'll be playing like that, I'll be playing like that. So you just have to bear with it, I think, there, but yeah. Let's jump into it then without further ado. Here you go, guys. Don't forget, you can find my donation link at the top of the screen up here. It is streamlabs.com/gaming hub. Feel free to use that link, guys. It shows amazing support to me and the stream. And also, you do also get a message on the screen like that, just to show that you actually cared enough for the stream there, guys. It is awesome. But anyway, without further ado, also I don't have my desktop audio. That's strange. Right. Okay, right. Do we have desktop audio now? No, we don't. Why don't we have desktop audio, guys? Hmm. You should definitely have desktop audio right about now. Hmm. We definitely have desktop audio coming out and available, so this is strange. Oh, no we do. It's just severely turned down. So if I turn it down lower on here, then I make that up as high as I can. Maybe not as high as I can. Yeah, that should be alright there, and I'll make my microphone just a little bit louder for you guys. There we go. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome. I know my friend Caleb should be watching this, so welcome Caleb. We'll be doing the coding later on, Caleb, so don't worry about that. And Caleb, the camera. I'm using that at the moment, hooked into the computer, so it's probably not the best thing. Right then. Oh, it's good to be streaming again, guys. It really is. Such amazing support out there. Well, I assume there's amazing support out there. Look at all these. Yeah, no, that's not what we're doing today, guys. What we're doing today involves this server. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you the other server just yet because it's still in development. But for you guys, if you do want to see the other server, it's quite a simple thing. Down when this is uploaded to YouTube, there'll be my Discord link. And you can also go onto the server's website, which is there, server page. You open that up. In theory, it should work. Yep, there we go. There's the server page. And with that, there's my Discord link there. So it's quite simple, guys. Join the Discord. Talk around, be nice in the Discord, and we'll be picking people to join onto the private server. So yeah. Also, is it just me, or is it quite a bit laggy? No, it's alright, okay. But yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. Hope you're all enjoying it here. I'm getting messages off people. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. Apparently people don't seem to understand the fact that if I'm streaming, I'm busy. Right. I don't know why I'm all of a sudden getting messages. Cool. Okay then. Don't understand it entirely, but okay then. Cool. I heard a ding. I don't know what that ding is. I'm going to assume it's something. I have no idea what that ding is actually. It's obviously something from the Streamlabs OBS here. And I don't, unless it is an alert thing. Maybe it is. I don't know. Yeah, guys. Hello. Yeah, I don't know, and it must be an alert. I don't understand it really, because I shouldn't be getting any alerts. Because nobody ever, like, you know, donates to my YouTube. But anyway, enough of my sad life, which is quite a drastic sad life. But anyway, why do people message me? Do you know? Right. Yes. So welcome to the team, guys. There's quite a bit going on, but mainly it involves this big black box over here. There's only two people who know what's actually inside this box. That's me and the good old Raven 1, who should be in the chat, but is not. But I will definitely make him join the chat later. But yes, in here, guys. And just hit that. Give it a second. It'll cause quite a bit of lag. That's to be expected, because it is quite a big box. And boom. Just ignore this. Don't question it. Hey guys, look at this. So nice. This is very nicely built by me, Raven 1, and the rest of the MFT build team. So thank you guys for your help there, and obviously the amazing redstone done by me there. Apparently, I think there's fireworks in that dispenser, which it shouldn't be, but maybe there was only one in there then. Oh yeah, look, now it works. That shouldn't be spat out into where that block is, but there's nothing I can do about that, I don't think, unless I can put a piece of glass there. Glass would stop it. Because the issue is there's a hopper under there that gets powered. But if I do... Oh yeah, that does work. Yeah, I've got a potato as well now. I can throw it in the bin. Because that's awesome. Yeah guys, so really nicely done there by the MFT Builds team. So thank you all who's part of the MFT Build team. And if you do want to be part of the MFT Build team, guys, like I said earlier, the Discord link is in the server page, which can be found every like half an hour in chat here, where it says donate here. That's if you want to donate to the server. If you just want to donate to me and be awesome, then there's a stream link at the top of the screen there you guys can use. But yeah, look at this guys. This entire server was built by me and the MFT Builds team. It is absolutely amazing, and I am so grateful for every single one of them. Except some of them who just decide to mess about the entire time. But yeah, this is absolutely awesome, guys. And I am grateful for every single one of them. And just to put it in perspective how big this place actually is. Look at that, guys. That is a map of the area. And technically them two areas over here are part of it as well. Because there are two maps we're using on this server. I cannot believe the stuff we've built on here. Well, look at this, we've got an entire racetrack which actually does look really cool. But yeah, everything here, nice big building here. That's a bank. Oopsie daisy. I'm vandalising the city, it's fine, it's my own city. There we go. But yeah, look at that, nice big park area there. I haven't updated it, so technically there is a park area built here. So if I pick block that area. Right, I need to update the entire map, don't I, for it? There we go, that's updated that bit at least. Yeah, because that's now cleared out. But yeah, in theory we should be able to see, as soon as I update the map, we should be able to see it updated properly for this park area, which would look really nice, I think. This park is an amazing little thing, so thank you. Oh yeah, we've got a road coming off in this direction, don't we? Because we have someone's house over here now. Yes, that's right guys, we have someone else's house over here. We're expanding slowly but surely. We are expanding, guys. But welcome, Milo TK. So yeah, guys, let's jump into it. Let's do something other than fly around the server admiring everyone else's builds. Because let's be perfectly honest now, them builds are not mine. 2 or 3 of them builds are mine, and everyone else's has been built by someone else. So we'll just assume everyone else's is built by me, just to make it look cool for me. But yeah, so let's actually play some Bed Wars. I know it's a bit delayed me saying let's play some Bed Wars, but yeah, Bed Wars it is then. Also, nice texture pack, you'll notice. The gold and iron will do look really nice. It's because I'm using the 114 texture pack, which you guys should be able to find somewhere. But yeah, it's quite simple. If you just type in 1.14 texture pack or 1.14 textures for 1.13, you should get something similar. That's all it is basically. It's just the textures. So yeah. Oh god, Aqua's already gone. And Aqua, of course, are a few beds away from me. Oh god, hello there. Okay, he was facing the opposite direction and hitting me. How is that a thing you can do? Okay, yeah, fine, I know my bed's gone. But let's be perfectly honest now. Right? Your bed ain't gonna last long, mate. Let's be perfectly honest, because I can just do... Did you see how far I jumped then, guys? Never mind in-game. IRL, Jesus. Oh, map selection's unlimited. Haha. That's right, guys. I have unlimited. This is not... Oh, yeah, no, this is a map I do like. I thought it was the other one I liked. Oh, no, this is Lighthouse. I thought it said Playground for a second. Playground is a good map. It's quite nice and open. This has got a little... yeah. Stuff and things, guys. Stuff and things. Oh, do you know? Yeah, let's do this, guys. We should be able to do something. Just sat here for 20 minutes gathering the resources, and that's when I die again. Because people decided, you know what, so let's rush the person next to me. Because how does that make any sense? People has to get resources as well. Oh wow, blue's already coming. Yeah, I mean, for real. Blue, I can build all day. Okay, no, that was not fair. Okay, hang on here. Right, you have a piece of TNT already? Right, I'm sorry. I do love Bed Wars. I really do, but... Get me out of this game. Seriously, people nowadays... People nowadays are unbelievable. No, I don't want to rate Lighthouse. My rating for Lighthouse at the moment is go away, nobody likes you. Because that was a very unfair game, I think. But yeah. Bed Wars, new weekly item. I don't care, thank you very much. Random game. Yay, let's go. Guess the build. Ugh, I don't like this kind of game. But okay then. I guess it's a bit of fun in it. Abuse is bannable. I should stick that sign on my server. See how many people are banned. seriously, the amount of people I've had to ban off my servers. At the moment I can count on one hand. It's quite amazing. Is he just going to stand there the entire time? Do I just type it in chat, I'm assuming? Rainbow. And what the hell are people trying to guess here? Oh! Is it not Rocket? Welcome King's Cross International Model Railway. Interchange Model Railway. Rail. Ah, Jesus. Crab. Oh. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Tree. People are already guessing. Just by what they have in their hand. This is great. Okay, grass. I'm assuming that's meant to be grass. Person has the same kind of idea. Green, cloud. Golf. Yeah, it could be, I suppose. Yeah, I have no clue right now. Does anyone actually know what this is meant to be? Ten seconds left. I have no clue what it is. Tennis court. Damn it. Yeah, no, I don't like this game. Forget about joining a random game. As rubbish as that game. Teams mode, solo, pro, guess the build. I like how we've put pro and guess the build next to each other. It shows like... Shows a bit there, don't you think? Do you know? Right. Any good game, any good games. Let's have a look. Not really. Ah, I don't have any. Okay. Right, guys. I'm going to have to refer back to my good old friend, which should be in chat. I hope my good old friend is in chat. I assume my good old friend in chat will tell me via Facebook Messenger if he's still in the chat. But yes, I'm going to refer back to what he told me I should be doing in the stream. But yeah, Visual Studio, guys. Just like I did last stream, this time I'll actually be talking and wanting to headbutt the desk because it won't work. Ah. Right then. So where's my documents? Because I made a... to do. There we go. Right. Live stream. To do. Let's open that on my second monitor there so I can always look at it. Create authorization codes. Right. Easy enough. So, Well, I'll give you a rundown of what the stream does so far. Start it. Ignore the dev test indicator. That's just something for me to see that I've actually done something correctly. That will eventually be completely removed. But I should be able to go that and then. Oops. Okay then. Cannot make changes. Yeah, that makes sense. What? I didn't try making changes. And then I need to click on here and go. I think this is it. I'm gonna have to check the files. Yeah, it is. Access granted. Dev mode active. And then I'll be able to click on these. That actually is like really cool how it does it. I'm really impressed with how I did them buttons. And then the enter and clear. The clear works. I need to set it so when it reboots, when it accesses it to start with, it needs to change it and put code equals in there, just for my sake. But yeah. Yeah, that's what it does currently. And then all I need to do is for each account, which is so generously stored in the different files here, in PAR files, or PAR files, which I covered in the first stream. But yeah, you can see it here, and if I open up the dev mode one, there's the username. Let's make a thingy, shall we? Let's make a authorization code for me to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds good. Save. These will all be changed, so don't bother, because I'm distributing this out to the people of my Minecraft server and Discord server. I do not want you guys being able to access my account. That is going to be really, that's going to end badly. So yeah, that will be changed. But yeah, main save and temp code. Temp code is a file, correct? I assume it would be in here if it was code config.cfg cgf, sorry. Yes, there's a code file what gets saved. So that is correct. So the code does get saved into there, which means all I need to do is look at that and set it correctly. So I need to then basically copy that, I've realised, because if that's the code config and that's startup indicator, which is very nice and tells me when I last started the program. In authorization code user dev, I need to go into here, and just before that I need to paste that and get rid of them numbers there. So that's what the screen would say. That's what the screen has to say for it to work. Then all I need to do is go into over here and I also need to grab what is that? I'm assuming I have, yeah, member auth code and things. So I just need to change password to auth code in all of them. And also auth code, does it have its own save location? Yes, it does. Auth code saves. Right. So now all I need to do is just paste that down here in the button enter. Paste. Right. So let's check this once and for all. So txt username.text, no thank you. That'll need to be txt txt code display.text equals dev auth. Dev auth code. There we go. Nice. Missing end if. Are you sure about that, mate? You've got an end if right there. Oh. Oh, did I not copy the very end if? I didn't. There we go. That should allow that to work then now. So then all I need to do is just grab that entire section of the code like so. Go edit, find and replace, quick replace section, and I need to change it from, oh, you do change over from user to code, right? I need to get rid of that in every single one, but I want to change, say, password to auth code. Okay then, that should be good. Takes the auth code, yeah, no, that won't work, will it? In every single one then, because, yeah, you've got it here. txt code display.text. Basically what this does, guys, is if you didn't see the last one, I'll briefly cover it in just a second. But how it works is quite simple. How this program will work is it'll be distributed out to the people who have access, who will have access to it. So I can close that off, and that is cool now because that will effectively almost fully work. Sorry, I just saw your message, Beface Computing. The code is basically like a login panel for each user to have their own area. So I don't know if this will exactly work because I have not reset some of the places, but basically each user has its area, so I can go staff, so the staff area, and then the password for staff, which is, oh, cannot make changes while it's running, makes sense. Nice little icon there, Beface Computing. I do like that. And then I think staff is password 2. No, it isn't. So is it password 1? Oh no, is it like pass 1 or something? I set it to pass 1. No, pass 2. Nope, pass 2. Submit. No. Pass 3. Submit. Yes, there we go. So it's pass 3. Makes sense. Welcome to a stream, guys. So I am only really paying attention to chat occasionally. It's quite a weird thing. Let me just check my. Okay. It seems like I'm really far away from it. I really need to adjust this better next time. There we go. That's better for you guys now. It should be anyway. But yes. And then the authorization code for staff, which I haven't done yet, and that's what I'm working on at the moment. And if you guys actually want to see my text file here, very nicely, it actually tells me what I need to do. Live stream. Yes, I'm doing that. Create the authorization codes. They're working on. The link authorization codes, that's what I'm working on currently in the code. Create the user areas and create the lock animation. The lock animation is really cool. I don't know if I actually have it. Have the files or not. Let's have a look, see. If I do, they'll be somewhere. If I don't, then I need to find them. Right, okay, I need to find them out then, because they're not in my folder where I'd put them. Unless they're on my server. And they're not from what I can see, unless I've dropped them into the Visual Basic Drive. And I don't have access to Visual Basic Drive, great. Is my server coming up? Yes. Visual Basic Drive. And they're not there. Great, okay then, so I need to download them again then. but the lock animation is quite cool. I say animation, I think I briefly covered this last time. It won't more be an animation of more of a icon to say you're locked and the program is locked, and that's what will show up before that screen. So before that screen shows up, which actually guys, the only thing you'll see is actually this half of the screen here where the panel is. You will not see the other half, you won't see this half here where I'm circling. That half will be completely hidden from you guys, and from anyone using the program as well. So yeah, I won't probably have permission to use them images, even though the images I've technically took myself. I've screenshotted them from an app. So I don't know what exactly is that. If I use them, am I allowed to use it, or you guys will have to let me know. But yeah, so let's link the authorization codes so we can actually see something working then. So you can see it loads it. So it loads that, 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 and that, and that, which is all fine because all that will stay the same. All them are just fine. So actually, you know what? It does load the code correctly. So in theory, what I can do is I can say, get rid of that and go code valid start. And if I change and I actually log in correctly this time, so Joshua, and then it's password submit. I should in theory be able to click clear. 1, 2. Whoops. Okay then. Program. I hope you're not going to be doing that a lot, Joshua. Don't know exactly what's happening with this program. It's weird. It has a mind of its own. And just watch. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, see, that won't work because it's case sensitive. There's probably a way I can make it not case sensitive, especially for password, but for username, sorry, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Code valid. See that, guys? It's referring. It's linked. It does work. Double fist pump in the air. Yes. Right. I know that works. I know it does work. I need to get it when it switches over to the code point, which is change over to code. Here we go. Yeah, you're writing that. I also want you to write, as soon as you do that, I want you to do txt code display dot text is equal to equal to code equals like that, which is basically what it says there. I'm just hoping when you're actually writing the data, I hope you're smart enough to not get rid of the stuff that's in there. So it does say code, which is correct, but if I press 1, yeah, it gets rid of it. It's not what we want. Also, occasionally the first time around it'll close the program. I'm not sure why. I don't know if that's just, if we go release start, so it's not in debug mode, it's in release mode, which basically means, where's my comment gone? Don't know where your comment's gone. Protext, whatever your name is. Oh, there we go. Your debugging reviews. Just use my code with release builds. The compile results. Yeah, fine. disable just my code and continue. Okay, fine. Maybe that's what's causing the problems. I have no idea. Joshua password. Boom. And then if I press it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Access denied. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. Code valid. I might just keep that as a bit of a hint for people to like make sure we press clear. Because I just find that quite funny actually that you can't do it straight away. But that could be something we are looking to actually. Don't fully understand why it isn't doing that because you're writing the text file for temp code, which if I look up here for temp code in file paths slash code config, oh yeah, config code.cfg, config code.cfg. We have a look in my config code.cfg right there. That is what the last code entered was, and it does have the code equals. So all that should happen in theory, and I can check this in each one of these, it goes show code. I think so. Protex or whatever your name is. I don't exactly know what you're getting at there, but the program works for what I need. It's not a program I'm releasing to public. It's a close-knit program what only my friends will have. So I'm mainly doing it for a bit of fun. This, but yeah, you are setting to read, or rather, you are meant to be setting the display, which is really strange how you're not actually writing it like that, like it should be. Granted, you're doing that, but I don't want to have to put you in a clear state. Because if I delete the file, it's going to lose its contents. So I won't be able to save the thing there, which is a little bit weird. And also a bit of an issue. Because I will not, if I put a press a 1, for instance, and I get it to run this code here, it'll delete the file, which will lose the 1, and then it will redo it just as if I pressed clear. So every button will act as clear effectively, which is not what we want. I could just do that, but I run the danger of it already somehow having the program, then it'll say like code equals, and then the code which will never be valid. So that's the issue there. So what I may do is I may link this just as its own little thing here. Let's just find where it main loads. So in change over from user to code. If I go in here, just after the if statement, because you should in theory be deleting it and then writing the file. So all we need to do is just basically do that. Which in theory, if we start it, that should fix it. Because you should be clearing the file twice effectively, but then writing it to the screen. Ooh. Don't know why the program occasionally just closes like that. It's very strange. Jesus, today, seriously. There we go. I need to set that so I can tab onto it. Oh, cannot find file, users, code config. Hey, hey, you did not write the code. You deleted it and then you crashed the program, so you never actually writ it. Which, first of all, is quite funny, but actually, hold on. Change over to code. It should say if a file exists, then delete the file. Else, write the file. So in theory, if I stop the program, then I try now, it shouldn't crash because it should, in theory, write the file because it shouldn't be. Because it shouldn't exist. Yes. See, it worked. And then, yes. Right, so that works. That now works. The only issue here is that. I can get it to run change over to code again, I suppose. Change over from user to code. That's what I want. So basically, you should run that, and then we'll run the program again. The only issue here is if it constantly is deleting a file, which it actually would in this case, wouldn't it? No, it won't, because it will delete it if it don't. Right, so if I go in here, if the file exists, it'll delete it to wipe the file. The file's gone. It'll then run the program again, which will check if the file exists. The file will not exist because it will just delete it the last run through. So it'll go to here else, and then it'll write the text which creates the file. Then it'll come out the if statement and delete it and write the text, which just makes sure it's definitely written. And let's be perfectly honest now, it's like 3 lines of code. So I know it's not the most efficient way of doing it, but it's 3 lines of code. It's not exactly going to break the system. I think I know why my program keeps closing actually. So don't worry about that. That'll be Windows Defender picking up that it's an unauthorized exe file. Yes, so code valid, that's fine. That now works. The else. Oh. The else statement works in theory. Because you're doing lbl welcome.hide. Which one is lbl welcome.hide? Well, which one is lbl welcome, to be fair? It's that one, isn't it? There we go. And it is, yes, lbl welcome. So I thought so. And you can also see the nice little login, log out buttons down there, which will be what the user actually sees. And I do like what that looks like. I'm really proud of how I've made that, but I do want to maybe not shrink, sorry. Make it slightly bigger and just move them down. Just so I can have a bit of room to stick the access denied. Please, can we not do advertising for other whether that's Discords or what? Please, can we not do that, please? Thank you. There we go. And then the dev mode test indicator, why not just make it huge? Because in all honesty, when I do a program, it'll just be like that. So that's what people would actually see, and I think that looks kind of cool. That's what I would see, and then that's what even more I would see. And that'll probably, what I might do here is if I had I think it's I don't know if it's a list box I want or not. I cannot seem to. I can't think for the life of me whether it's a list box I need. I do want to try and do like notify icons and all this lot. List view. Let's try a list box. List box might work. LBX test. LBX test. Index change. I don't care. But in theory, if I do on form load, where are you? Form load. Can anyone else see form load in here? Or have I not actually told it to do a form load command? Makes sense if I haven't. It doesn't look like I have, unless it's hidden away. It must be hidden away then. Oh wait, no. FRM access, yeah, that's it. Because it's check file INI. Check file and INI is that there. Which basically checks the INI file, which then runs a startup program, which is in here. Which then does basically the startup bit. And actually, let's stick it in here. Seems though it's going to be reading it from this that INI file. So LBX LBX test equals to I need a read text. Should be able to find a read text from here. My computer, yeah, that'll do. I don't care what read text it is. I just want to get a read text. There we go. And why are you red? String cannot be converted to a label box. Well, do you want to bet? Because I bet I can do dot text. Oh, look, it works. Stick dot text on anything that's red. The chances are it'll make it work. That's my motto for this program. Main save config, copy, and then paste it in there instead of that. And then start. And in theory, oh, there's errors. Where's the errors? Where's the errors? Where's the errors? Okay, guys, can we stop typing inappropriate things in chat, please? It's not hard. I can just mute the entire chat. I can just turn off chat feature completely. I'd rather leave the chat feature on for it to interact with you guys. I'm being completely serious now. Right. And there's not often I tell people to stop it, but the messages you guys are putting in chat, guys, is just way too inappropriate for this stream. If you want me to do a stream where you can just type whatever you want in chat, I will do one in the future, not now. And that stream will be a paid content. I'm not doing it for everyone. But it's a thing, guys, please, okay? I don't have a moderator here. So it's just me, but I just hope you guys pay some attention. Now let's jump back into it then. Why are you saying it's not valid? Because that is exactly what I copied from down there. There we go. Right, so now that should work in theory. Hey, we have a white box. In theory, that box shouldn't be white though. With all due respect, that box should not be white. Yeah, and see, even after I closed the program, it rebooted it. Which proves my theory on what it actually is. Causing the issue, but yeah, see, that should be... That's setting my computer write all text command there. Then you do all your stuff there, but then you should be setting the text to where it is in main save config. And if we check the top, main save config is load sys.ini. What the hell is happening to that website? This guys, I've actually got people. People, thank you everyone watching the stream. Apart from that thing with the chat issue. Chris guys, look at my playbacks going up. I just imagine that's my view counter. Oh, that's actually brilliant. I can do a pop-up chat like that. So I can actually still interact with my chat. Right. What else have we got to do in the program? Because in theory, the entire program should work. I just need to set the codes for people's areas. I'd love to get that text thing to work, but I don't think that's going to work. So what we'll do is we'll go up to my setup, which is that one, and we get rid of that. And without any further ado, that won't work anymore. But that does look really nice. I do like that. I'm really proud of how that has turned out. Let's go down here. Underneath, actually no, here should be fine. Let's go valid code. And let's just set that. This is how I create my little routine things as well. Declaration required, yes, I know. Theory, quick actions. Normally you actually create it for me, mate. Come on, can you do it now, please? I can suppose I can just make it myself, can't I? Private sub. Valid code. Boom. There we are, end sub. So now that valid code statement actually works. I'd have much preferred it to stay and work, but you know, I guess not. Give me a second, guys. Oh, my phone's dead. Can you believe this, guys? The charger was meant to be plugged in charging my phone. Turn on my little ambient lighting there. Not that I actually need it really, because to be fair, there's not much difference. Just adds a bit more of a glow to my camera. Anyway, back into the coding then. Purpose of valid code. Face has gone off screen. No. Is it alright, or do I need to look into that? Is it still up on my feed next to me? So, is this just like the stream chat telling me lies? Hello, tech stuff lifts. Is it lifts? Welcome to tech stuff, I guess. Don't forget, guys, if you do want to donate to the stream, the donator link is at the top of the screen there, and you guys can donate at any time, and you'll get a nice little message on the stream like that. Because you've got to be honest, guys, the message on the screen is absolutely awesome. There is no way to say it isn't there. Right, I don't know. Unfortunately, Fetty speak. I don't know what you've put there. Unfortunately, if you can try and translate to English, please. Thank you. But yeah. So back into here. Valid code. What do I need valid code to do? Well, I want valid code to show the. I'm assuming it's BTN login. Yeah, and BTN logout. BTN exit. Okay, near enough. BTN login dot show BTN Which one's Jordan in the chat then? Come on, you've got to say it now. You've got to say which one's Jordan. I'm assuming Benno Lifts. Is that you, Alex? But BTN exit. Oh, dot show. And that there should be that bit of a program built. So in theory, oh, wait, no, because you don't actually have the. Right, I can see what you've put there, Fetty Speak. Unfortunately, I'm not going to allow people to be able to see that message. Message is not appropriate. Yes, I know Jordan's my friend from college. Who is is that who you are then? Benno Lifts. So I guess welcome, Jordan. Took you long enough to arrive at stream. Also, please don't talk about yourself in third person. It's a bit strange. No, it wasn't Alex. It was something what they translated, and unfortunately, it was not appropriate for me to show. I'm valid to their opinions. Fine, it's their opinions, but just down to it, I'm not going to allow that to be shown. I hope you guys can understand that. But anyway, let's actually show this working. Yeah, I don't know Ben. I'm sorry. There's a lot of Bens at college. Just Ben does not help me anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I assume that is actually you, Jordan. Another one of you. Right, it's easy. I can just find out. Right, thank you for sharing that link with me. Where's my YouTube gone? There it is. Thank you for sharing that, Fetispec. Yeah, and I assume that is the same Jordan I know. I'm going to send it to him and see if it is. But there's the link for you guys. I shouldn't be really about allowing that link, so I'm going to be smart enough and you can click on it beforehand. But otherwise, it's gone. I'm not allowing that message. I'm sorry. Links are not allowed. I do appreciate the auto moderator though. I'm very proud that actually worked. Yeah. But yeah, guys, and without further ado, let's press the magic button here. It didn't work, guys. It says code valid, but it didn't work. Oh. Right, nobody point out how I made the stupidest mistake possible, please. Nobody point out the fact that I did not actually actually link it to the routine. Nobody mentioned that. And then without further ado, boop 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 boop. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the program auto restarting. It shouldn't reboot anymore though, which is good news. Until I start the program again. Next time I do VB, I will disable my Windows Defender and rely on my other antivirus. There we are, code valid yay, and the login and the logout button works, which is nice. I guess it's a bit thingy, but yeah. Hello, Amy. I have to quickly message you and let you know I'm actually streaming, and your message just came up on stream. So give me a second, guys, because all my devices are running out of battery. Right, let's just copy that link. There we go. And as soon as it decides to be sent, that'd help. Did I actually send it to some other people? No, I didn't. Okay then, well I can send it to that person. Oh, you actually sent that time. Hey, we both delivered. Nice. First one to read it wins a prize. First one to read it out of these two people I've just sent it to wins a prize. Who's going to read it first? Jordan, if you're watching the stream, I can see you typed a message and then got rid of it. Hey, and Amy saw it first. Amy saw the link first. Amy wins a prize. The prize is nothing. That's right, guys, nothing. I can't afford to give prizes out. I don't have money. I don't have money anymore. But if you guys do want to help me, the link at the top of the screen. Welcome, Raven. I just saw you join the chat. Welcome, Raven. It took you a while to get here. Does Jordan know his messages come up on the thingy? Yes, I know you're in the stream with me, Jordan. I kind of gathered that. Which one of the lift references are you? Yeah, I know, Raven. I do apologise. I think I've expressed this before, but yeah, I do apologise. Let's switch over to the full cam. There you go. I do apologise, guys, for the delay. Unfortunately, it's just what I've had to deal with. I'm using my camera, what I use for filming for my other YouTube, but it's not meant to be running into a computer through an extension and all this lot. So the delay is there. Also, BFace Computing. Can you actually put your name in chat now? Because I'm actually curious which one of you are. So you're Jordan, second backwater divide. Oh, sorry. There we go. So hang on, I'm sorry, but if that's actually Jordan, don't look like it's Jordan. I'd expect to lift videos on Jordan's channel. And Alison knows about me. Okay, this is really like. Okay, who the hell is this now? Because it isn't Jordan. Because Jordan would have lift videos on his channel. And Jordan wouldn't know I've got Alison as a tutor. I'm going to assume the BFace Computing is Jordan. Just with a reference to John Kelly there. I assume then, in that case, who else did I send the link to? I assume maybe second. It could be a rando, Raven. All honesty there, but no rando would know for sure about Alison. So that'll be someone from college, and especially who knows about Jordan, because it definitely isn't Jordan. Thank you, Raven, for hiding them messages. And as for you, Protect, whatever your name is, um, you're being reported to YouTube. And as for you, Benno Lifts, who put the message of thingy, Raven, can you undo that message you hidden by Benno Lifts as well? That is alright. But thank you. Raven is like my little moderator here, who I'm very grateful is around because Jesus, this Raven, where were you earlier? Where were you earlier when this chat got a bit out of control? Thank you for that one as well, Raven, but I've reported him as well, so we should see. Anyway, right, can we... Okay, Raven, we get you did stuff. Thank you. Yes, I know, I just said that. Right. First of all, tell me right now, honestly, who is Jordan Rayner? Who is Jordan Rayner? Please put your hand up in chat now. Right, okay, I'm assuming Benno Lifts is Jordan, because I'm sure he's mentioned that before to me. Who the hell is B-Face Computing? You know, we can probably find out. Go to channel. Um, hmm. Yep, no. There's the only one person, I think, at this point who can be B-Face Computing. Yeah, there's only one person who would do things like that, and that is you, Jordan Rayner. Really? How many Jordans are there in chat now? Okay, this is... Oh god, this is annoying now. Jordan, if you're watching chat, DM me your actual thing over Facebook. Because I actually want to subscribe to your channel. And Jordan, I assume you've sent out that link to your lift surfing buddies. And that's where all the lift ones are coming from. And I'm assuming you've mentioned to them about John Kelly. I don't know who the hell has found out about Allison. And whoever you are, be warned, I will find your name. It isn't Raven because I've got Raven on Discord. And I'm literally, my Discord is open there. I can literally jump into my DMs with Raven if I really want to. Thank you, Jordan, for actually telling me your actual one there. Yeah, I had a feeling it was that one. Right. PRDE, I know you're not Jordan Rayner. So, Raven, can you please time him out, please? Right, the next person to say the Jordan will get banned from the channel. It's that simple. Wait for a 10-second stream delay. Yeah, shall we get someone to hunt him down? Let's just swipe that across because I don't want people to see my DMs. Um. Oh yeah, that's right. Second backwater. Really? Do you doubt it, Raven? Explain to him the conversation over DMs with a certain build team member about toes being chopped off while you sleep. Right. Well, thank you, Jordan. Your name actually came up on stream, so thank you. Oh, it won't be. It won't just be a girl, Raven. Trust me. I've got other people I can get to do that as well. The people you don't know about, Raven. So you can't just protect yourself from that girl. Not mentioning any names because I can't actually get her on at the moment, so nobody mentioned name. But oh, trust me, backwater divide. You're not out of reach. I have people who can find you. A very nice person actually, who's my friend over at Xbox, who just so happens to be able to hack into anything. So, and I could literally message him in 10 minutes. Pretty much, Raven, actually. I've just seen it's just popped up now, and now I'm in every country or state. Not that much, but I don't need that much. I have one person. Right, you ready, guys? One person. So, well, two people technically, because I also have the um, very nice person who can go to your house and chop off your toes and will enjoy it. But I also have a person who will go onto his computer. Hey Joseph, welcome to the stream. As I was saying though, I'll have that person go onto the computer, press whatever buttons they press, and it will erase you from the internet. So the next person who say the Jordan, feel free, because I would love to see you erased from the internet. I'm sure Raven would as well. Okay, yeah, Joe. Raven, if it's personal, can you please leave it to your own streams or your own videos, please? And Raven, the certain person was on about has agreed to do some toe chopping. And I've just said pick two people from the stream who is not Raven and is not B-Face Computing. Right, you know what? How long have I been streaming for here? Answer is probably way too long. An hour and a half. Right. I'm going to end the stream here. It's been a bit of a weird one today. I understand it's been a bit of a weird one today. Yes. Hey, the stream chat's actually working again now on my computer, which is cool. Well, we don't know, Backwater. It's that certain girl who's picking two people to do toe chopping, so it may not be you. We'll find out. If we don't hear anything from you ever again, we know it was you. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, etc. Use the donator link. It's at the top of my screen. Use that link. It's at the top of the screen up there. Up there. Up there. I know you guys want to use that link. But yeah, guys. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, etc. And as for people who are in the chat who I know, such as Raven, meet me in BTV1. As for Joe, do you have Discord? And as for B-Face Computing, I'll accept my friend request when I send it. Also, why is all the chat in my stream actually pink? Well, it's pink from my thing anyway. But yeah. So yeah, I'll do more on this program off stream. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, etc. Joe, if you've got Discord, or if you're gonna get Discord, please send me your Discord name. Oh, there you go. Send me your Discord name through Facebook, and I'll add you to our voice call. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.